Hello friends, we are going to solve numerical number 2 based on Thevenin's theorem. Coming to this example, this is your given circuit and you have to find out the value of VTH and RTH across this point A and B. So first we will calculate the value of VTH, and while calculating the value of VTH we will open this terminal A and B and we will keep this open circuited. So it will be like this, and here we can calculate VOC, that will be equal to VTH. Now VOC and VTH we can find out by two ways. First one is VOC will be equal to VA minus VB, or we can apply KVL in this whole circuit like this. So we need to find out the exact current in this 5 ohm resistor and this 1 ohm resistor so that we can apply KVL. Here this is your 10 volt and this is your 5 ohm and 4 ohm. The current will be flowing like this. So the current 10 upon 9 ampere will be here, and if you will see here in this circuit, this is a different circuit and 2 ampere is coming, 2 ampere and 2 ampere. So 2 ampere is flowing in this direction. Now the important thing is the sign convention. This will be your plus and this will be your minus. Current entering through the resistance will be at positive terminal and leaving terminal will be at negative terminal. This next 2 ampere is coming through this point, so this will be plus and this will be your minus. Now applying KVL. Minus to plus, plus 10 minus 5 into 10 by 9 minus this plus to minus minus VOC. This is minus to plus just because of the current direction. Then it will be plus 1 into 2 minus 20 will be equal to 0. Plus 10 minus 20 plus 2. This plus 10 minus 20 will be equal to minus 10 plus 2. It will be equal to minus 8. So here minus 8 minus 50 by 9 will be equal to VOC. So the value of VOC will be equal to minus 122 by 9 volt. So this is the value of VOC is equal to VTH, and that is coming out to be minus 122 by 9 volt. Now next we have to calculate the value of RTH. While calculating the value of RTH, we will have to short circuit this voltage source and open circuit this current source across AB. Here we draw an equivalent circuit to find out the calculate the value of RTH. We short circuited this voltage here, we open circuited this current here, and we short circuited this voltage here. This is the point A and this is the point B. So we can start by taking one voltage source and we can divide the current I. So the I will be here, will be divided into two parts, then it will be like I, and here it will be I. So from the formula of series and parallel, these 5 and 4 in parallel with each other and the total in series with 1 ohm. So the value of RTH will be equal to 5 in parallel with 4 plus 1. So 5 in parallel with 4 means 5 into 4 upon 5 plus 4 plus 1. 20 upon 9 plus 1, that will be coming to 29 upon 9 ohm. So the value of VTH is equal to minus 122 by 9 volt. So the value of VTH is equal to minus 122 by 9 volt and the value of RTH equal to 29 by 9 ohm. Thank you.